Now, students, we're looking at page 114 or 114 of our book. I'll write it here. Page 114, okay? And on page 114 or 114, we have a review or grammar review for Unit 1 of our book. Every unit has some review exercises we can use to review the grammar and make sure that we understand the grammar and that we can use it correctly, okay? So at the start, we have some statements and questions with B, some examples, some WH questions, examples of affirmative and negative, and then yes/no questions and short answers. And at the bottom, we have some practice exercises. So we're going to look at this first, the examples, and then look at the exercises second. Okay, so let's bring that up a bit bigger so we can see. Unit 1, are you Tom? We use the simple present of be to talk about a person's name, nationality, where they are from, age, and job. Okay, so are you Tom? The verb are you Tom? Are you Tom? He is a doctor. I am 19 years old. My teacher is from England. Okay, so the verb are, is, am, is used a lot when we are using the present tense and talking about self-introductions. We often contract. Contract is to make smaller. I am, I'm. We are, we're. So we often contract or shorten. I'm a student. I'm not a teacher. He is, and yet he's a teacher. She isn't a teacher. Okay? So again, contractions very common. What is your name? I'm not. Where are you from? You are, we're, there. You are not, we aren't, they're not. And how old are you? He is, she is, you are, okay? She isn't, he isn't, you aren't. And finally, what is your favorite movie? It is, or it's. So again, listening to the WH questions, very important. What, where, how old, okay? Who, why, which. WH questions very common in English, okay? So underneath, we can see the next section is yes/no questions as well, all right? So yes/no questions, short answers, all right? So we have, are you? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Are we? Yes, we are. No, we are not. Are they? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. And we also have no, we're not. No, they are not. Is he? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. No, he's not. Is she? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. No, she's not. Is it? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. No, it's not. Remember, we have to practice not just writing, it isn't, but also speaking. It isn't. I'm not. He isn't. She's not. Okay? The more you speak, the better your pronunciation gets as well. What's your name? I'm Lee. What's your favorite movie? Remember, your name, I'm Lee, that means your name. What's your favorite movie? I'm the Avengers. No, it's the Avengers. Okay, so underneath we have, if we can maybe scroll down, we have two exercises, okay? And the first exercise is answering the questions here. Complete this, let's read the instruction. Complete the sentences with a contraction of am, is, or are. Choose the sentences that are true for you and correct the others. Okay, correct the others. So we can do it like this. My mother's a teacher. Okay. All right, my mother's a teacher. We can do this part first. Okay. My mother's a teacher. My mother is a teacher, but we're using contraction. So my mother's a teacher. I am 18 years old. So contraction would be I'm. All right. So we put down I'm 18 years old. My birthday's today. My birthday is today. My birthday is today. My father is tall. My father's tall. My father's tall. My father's tall. And finally, we are students. We is an we are students, but we would write we're students. Okay. Now, writing the opposite if it's true. So my mother's a teacher. My mother isn't a teacher. I'm 18 years old. I'm not 18 years old. Writing I'm not 18 years old. My birthday's today. My birthday isn't today. My father's tall. My father isn't tall. My father is tall, so you can write is or isn't. And we are students. We are not students, or we are students, whatever you want to write. So positive, negative, positive, negative. You can write here the negative if it's true about you. Now the second part, answer the questions with information about you. Use contractions. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Okay. Second question, number 2. Is your teacher from England? So your teacher is not from England. Where is your teacher from? Your teacher is from Ireland. Ireland. So you can say, is your teacher from England? You can answer, no, he's not. No, he's not. Number 3, are your parents doctors? So my parents, are your parents doctors? No. Now again, once again, no, they're not. Okay, be careful. Okay, parents, 2 people. Okay, parent, is your parent? No. Are your parents doctors? No, they are not. No, are they not. What's your name? You can say my name is, or you can say I'm Anthony. Okay. I'm Anthony. Where are you from? Once again, I'm Anthony. I'm from, and we can write down Ireland. Okay, so it's getting a bit squashed here, but the main thing is that we have I'm Anthony, I'm from Ireland. And finally, how old are you? How old are you? And you could say, in my case, I'm 45. Okay, 44, 45, whatever. The main thing is that we're using the contraction there, he's. Okay, I'm. The more you use the contractions, the more you practice in the grammar. When you use them, when you speak, you will sound better when you're using fluent English or more natural speaking English. Again, when we write and also practice speaking, once our grammar is good when we write, then our grammar is good when we speak, and we can become better at controlling our English and gain more confidence from our practice too. Okay.